Hi friends, so you can see that glue is not coming and you can see the length of this glue stick. So in this situation, so you don't need to remove that glue stick. So you can take a new glue stick. Okay, this is a new glue stick. You can just insert it here and make sure that it should touch in this existing glue stick like this. Okay, so insert it like this, then you can just press and try. So now you can see now glue is coming. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So after this, you can just, if you want, you can just take this stick back, because this stick is not used, right? This is a new stick. You can just take it back and switch off the glue gun and keep it somewhere. So when you want to use this glue gun, that time only you just need to insert this new stick and use it. Okay, done.